Getting it all put back together. Who remembers these old Pioneer Super Tuner decks? Everything's new in the truck. Besides that piece, I got a new one that I want to put on, but I got a plan for it before I do put it on. I got a favor to ask. So we'll see. I even have the pedals, just like Bigfoot's. And there's a little bitty one over there on the corner, the dimmer switch. Yep, got to get it all done, get the seat put in it. The seat is that color of blue. And yeah, slowly getting her done. And then these are the pieces for the tailgate. And then the roll bar. I have all the KC covers, the yellow ones for the top. Yep, double chrome roll bar. Everybody's shop's dirty that work in it every day-to-day basis, working on projects in several different projects where you just about need to hire somebody to come along and pick up your message. This was all clean the other day. I've cleaned it twice, but this has been a 4-year project that has come together, and still got more to do. And I'm blacking the windows out. I have the Bigfoot logo with the little bare feet that goes above the windshield. And there's my Firestone sticker. And then my Bigfoot sticker that goes on the door. And then I have them, the smaller ones for the top of the tailgate. It goes right on top of the tailgate right there. And then in the center of the hood, right above the grill. And I also have the Warren winch bumper, the chrome one, with the pink KC covers on the corners. Yep, there she is.